Open your Chrome browser and search for how to install Claude Code. In the AI overview, we have complete guide of how to install Claude Code. It says it's an AI coding agent. Then we have some prerequisites. You need to have Claude Pro plan or these other plans. It's not free. On macOS or Linux, you can install it by just copying and pasting this command into your terminal and it will install Claude Code for you. For Windows, you need to use this PowerShell that come prepackaged with Windows. You need to run this command in PowerShell. But note that on Windows, you need this Git for that. So for Git, I will open a new tab and here install Git on Windows. Here I will install Git. For Windows, I need to install it. I will use Git for Windows 64-bit setup. Git setup has been downloaded. Let's open it and install. I will select next, then next, keep everything as default and keep going on next and install Git. Now we will finish the setup. We now have Git installed, so we can go to Claude installation. I will just copy this command and I will open this PowerShell. So I will search for PowerShell and I will run. And here I need to just paste this command here. I will go back, IEX, that's the command, and I will run it to install Claude Code. It's now setting up Claude Code and then installing the Claude Code native build. And our Claude Code installation has been completed on Windows. Now I'll open command prompt to run Claude Code. So here I will just verify if the version has been installed or not. So it will be Claude version to see. And it says Claude is not recognized. It's because we haven't added it to path yet. And for that, what you need to do is go down below and search for this thing. Now add Claude Code to path on Windows 11. So it will just give you this installation part that you need to use. For this, I will just go to C and here we have this user, then the username dot local and bin. This is, you can see this is the Claude directory. You can run it directly in this directory, but if you want to run it anywhere, just like we want to run it in this command prompt, for that you need to add it to environment variable. So I will just enter env and here we have this environment variable added and here you have this path. Just edit it, add a new entry and paste this path that we have just copied and now okay, and our Claude Code is ready. So if we go to command prompt now, let's restart it and open command prompt again. Here you can run Claude and now it will start this Claude setup. You can see here you can select the dark mode, light mode, anything. So I will just go with dark mode. You can select any one. Now we choose login method. So a Claude account with subscription and Tropic Console account, third-party platform. I have this Claude account with subscription. You need to have pro subscription of Claude, then you can do it. So I will just hit enter and now it will ask me to sign into that account. So I will just continue with Google and here I can log in with my account that has this Claude Pro and it will sign me in and I can use the Claude Code CLI then. So here it asks for permissions and I can authorize it so that I can use Claude Code to the full and it says build something great, you are all set up for Claude Code. Now if you come here it says login successful and press enter to continue. Now it has some security notes that you can read. Claude can make mistakes, definitely due to prompt injection. If you only use it in code you trust, yes, understood. Then it says, yes, I trust this folder, no exit. Actually, command prompt is run by default in this directory, which is this user directory. And here, if I say, yes, I trust this folder, then in this folder our Claude project will be initialized. So no exit. You want to create a proper directory for a project and want to initialize the project there. So our Claude setup has been completed. Now what we can do, I will just open my editor, cursor or VS Code, anything you have. I have cursor installed, so I will just open it and then I will create a project where I will initialize this Claude Code. Here inside cursor, we can open a folder and that will be something like I can create some folder on desktop and here just go with creation of new folder with projects, or we want to create like portfolio website or something like that, a project, right? Just call it portfolio and I will open it in cursor. And after we have this directory here, what we can do, just maximize it And here we can use Claude Code here. So we can add terminal, open terminal here. This is the new terminal that you can use. You can do the setup, you can move terminal down, you can do all that stuff. But here I can now run Claude Code, right? So I will just hit enter on Claude and it says, do you trust the folder? Yes, I trust this folder. And here I can create something with Claude Code. For example, I want to create a portfolio website. So I will just give it a prompt. I want to create a portfolio website. So that's how you just give it prompt, and when I hit this prompt, Claude will create this project in this portfolio directory. As you can see, we are here in this portfolio directory, and now Claude trusts this folder and it can work in this directory. So that's how you install and set up Claude, and then you can use it on different projects. That's it for today's tutorials, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.